We are heading out to go diving with the whale sharks. And I'm just following Cindy. She seems to know where she's at. And she definitely can speak the language. And we're bringing Mama and Papa with us. Ma, Pa.
Okay.
YouTube. It looks like the 4 of us and 10,000 of our best friends are all going to do this.
We are now serving priority number 194, 195, 196.
At the hotel, I picked up some snorkeling shoes that are a little bit better than the sandals I was wearing at Apple. But they are real thin soled, so every rock and pebble it feels like you're standing on top of and somehow seems to be magnified. But hey, it's more fun in the Philippines. Oop. Holy.
Our number is
195.
Holy cow. This is insane. I'm going to go find her and try not to lose her in the crowd, so we'll talk with you guys later. But this is the orientation that we're going to have to go through.
Priority number 21.
Yeah, you're supposed to maintain a pretty healthy distance from them.
201. 202. 202. We are now serving.
I'm going to go try and take a look at that municipality of Oslob.
202.
This is actually pretty cool. We're hoping to go do the Tumalog Falls a little bit later today.
So, good morning and welcome to Barangay Tanawan, Oslob, Cebu. I will just also see you the four important
from our
rules.
hotel
The first is
room.
you are
Very cool. They have about 15 boats at a time out there with tourists on them. That they lash them together to help them hold their positions to each other. These small white boats. Oh, they're feeding them. That's why they're going for the white boats. And they use those boats to kind of direct them around and get them a little bit closer to the tourists so they can see them better. This one's a little persistent. They're wanting some more. The rest of this is just where I get up to underwater, so there's not a whole lot of sound. But these sharks are just immensely huge. They're 25 to 35 feet long. Gorgeous creatures. Here's one you can see its mouth is near the surface and its tail is almost at the bottom. There we go. You can see his tail's down there within 5-10 feet of the bottom. The mouths on these things are just massive. For being a filter feeder, they take a lot in all at once. Coming up, you can see these scuba divers down there. That there's actually a scuba shop right there that you can rent the equipment and go diving. Cindy and I had kind of planned on doing that the next day, but decided to get a head start back to Sabonga. You can see a diver fairly close to them and get a relative size on these things. And here with the divers, you can see them directly beneath, so that they've got beautiful views and aren't trying to snorkel on the surface like this and just kind of flailing around. But look at the volume of water this thing takes in every gulp. We're definitely heading back in. Cindy and I, next time, we'll be doing the scuba diving for these, and hopefully a lot better video.